during COVID. Now, when did you win these awards?
The Australian Small Business Champion Award was actually a nomination at the beginning of the year.
Yes.
But due to COVID, they haven't quite had the award ceremony yet.
Of course.
The other 3 awards were nominated through another networking business called BX Business for Life.
Yep.
And they recently just nominated those and were handed out. But more importantly, it was the case that some businesses during COVID did thrive. Some of them did actually do well.
Yep.
And they did that by investing in themselves and their ability to do what they do better. And it might have mean cutting back on marketing, paying for marketing services, or paying for outsourcing, but rather investing in themselves, being able to do it better and do it themselves.
I think it's incredible what you do, because I've never seen you or met you before, but once I sort of heard your story when you got off the stage, and I stalked you on Facebook and added you as a friend, as whilst you're literally on stage receiving your awards, I've quickly learned what you're about, and I think what you do is amazing, and I've been looking for somebody like you for a long time now, because we've got all of these assets and all of these tools at our fingertips and no understanding of how to use them. So you bring to light that for those people like myself on how to use these tools.
Yeah, 100%. And the sad thing is everyone thinks that they have to be a marketing guru. They think that they need to be technologically minded, and I'm none of those things. In fact, I hate being on Facebook.
Yes.
I don't want to be on there. I want to get on, do what I need to do, get clients, and get the hell out of there. Like, I don't want to be doing that. I want to do what I love. But also, the other thing is that people believe that they must do what everyone else is doing. So if people are posting every day, they feel they must do that. Or if they're doing Facebook Lives, they must do that. Or if they're sharing their Botox lips and big boobs, they think that they have to do that.
Sorry.
The thing is that you don't have to do that. You only have to do what's comfortable for you, the business owner.
Yep.
And there's a strategy for everyone. And it doesn't include doing everything. It only includes what's right for you, for your business, and what you enjoy doing, and what your client is going to be receptive to. And that's what I help business owners come up with.
That's pretty awesome. So basically what you're saying is you don't need to be like adaptable for the masses. You can fine tune and find your niche, and that there's enough people out there that are going to help you get to where you're going by you helping them get to where they're going.
Yep, and it's a simplified action plan. So you wake up every day knowing exactly what to do to get a result.